Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for clicking on my video and choosing to join me today. Full disclosure, I am a newbie, so this is not a tutorial. I just discovered acrylic pouring 17 days ago and I've already poured 14 canvases, so I'm a little obsessed. I'm not a professional YouTuber. I just do this for fun and put those videos out there to show people where I am on my journey and to hopefully help someone else on their journey. I do not get paid for this. So I also have not learned video editing yet. I'm sure if I sat down and put some time and energy into it, I could, but right now I'm just enjoying making the paintings and just, like I said, putting the videos out there for you to enjoy. So you'll probably hear a lot of ums and hums and hms and maybe some silence, maybe some bloopers and some time slots. I could have edited out if I knew how or wanted to take the time. But right now I have a full-time job and I just do this in the evenings for fun. So it's not fancy smancy, it's just real, raw, and in the moment. I will do my best to put some timestamps in the description box so that way you can scroll across and fast forward when you want to. If you have no patience for newbies, you can go ahead and click away now. Bye! Bye-bye! You probably won't enjoy this. I'm a hot mess. And if you have a little bit of patience for newbies, like I said, you can use those timestamps and jump ahead as needed to see what I am creating. For everyone else who's in it for the long haul, let's get started. And that ends the scripted part of my video, and the bloopers begin. My cat is crawling in the box. So today I'm super duper excited because I had a offer, I guess kind of like for a commission. So yeah, I'm really excited. But as y'all have seen, most of my pouring, or all of my pouring, are very just abstract. I'm just pouring and seeing what happens. So she kind of wanted something that was like a cat or a dog. It's actually my groomer, my cat groomer that comes to groom my cat. So I'm super excited but super nervous because she's like, if you make me something with a cat, I'll buy it. And I'm like, I don't know if I can do that. So I'm going to attempt to do that. So I don't know. It might be a big blooper and I might have to scrap the whole canvas, or it might be really awesome. So shout out to Holly. Thank you. Here you go. So what I'm trying to attempt, I've never seen anyone attempt. So, you know, I don't know how it's going to be. But what I did was I just drew a silhouette because I am not an artist, y'all. So I drew a silhouette. I have it taped on here. And I'm going to try to do like string art, a string pull. But first I have to cover the canvas. So I don't know. That's where my mind went after many hours of pondering this. So let's see what happens. No idea how this is going to turn out. And I mixed up some colors, and then I also have some from previous pours that are like a mixture of colors. So I don't know. I really don't know today, y'all. I never know, but today I really don't know. So I was thinking of like a nighttime like skyline. So I have this from one of my pours I did earlier. It's really pretty purples. And then I have this blue, and then I mixed this. I was going for brown, but it's not brown. It's more of like a gray. So I don't know. Can y'all tell I'm nervous? How many times am I going to say I don't know? So I really can't give you like a name of these colors because like I said, they were leftovers, and so we don't waste paint. So these are my drippings left over. There's a little bit left in here, but I was going to scrape it, but I think I'm going to save it and see if I need some later. So I haven't used this palette to spread. I've been doing more of like, you know, actual tilting. Oh, and I remembered to tape the back. Yay! So if it does come out, it'll be all pretty on the back. Y'all can't see it. It looks more black to y'all, but it's actually more purple. I wonder, let me see if I bring the light over, if that helps at all. I don't know if that helps or not, but y'all have never seen me so quiet, right? Yeah, me neither. Y'all cannot see it on the camera, but it actually looks really kind of good. I'm satisfied so far. I'm just trying to pick up a little bit of the extra paint that's on there and kind of How exciting is that, y'all? I've only been doing this 17 days and I already had somebody say, I'll buy a piece. Oh, doesn't that just warm your heart? Well, or wouldn't it if it was you? I have no idea how this is going to turn out and if she'll like it, but hey, at least I can say I tried. I probably could have too. I know, y'all are probably going to tell me in the comments. If you ever comment. Thank you for the ones who do comment. I have been getting some comments and I really appreciate that. I have met some great artists so far. I love that. I forgot what I was saying. I cannot remember what I was gonna say, y'all. For real. I think I actually wanted the top darker too, so I might just end up putting that purple up there. Oh, that's probably too much. What am I doing? Let me see if I just... Yeah, like my silhouette of a cat, that's about all that I can do as far as drawing. That's why I fell in love with this type of art, because I cannot draw. I keep touching the edges. Okay, so I just realized that what I'm doing is actually the swipe technique, and that was not what I had planned. So I have been, like I said, thinking about this and planning this for, well, like, I mean, I work today, but you know, it's always in the back of your mind, but like, just for like 24 hours, you know, like, how many times am I going to say like? And absolutely did not plan to do a swipe. So it just goes to show you, and it makes me feel really good actually, like, that I do have this artistic ability that I've always felt like I had but didn't know how to use it. Because once you get here, like, you can plan kind of your idea or what you want, but once you get in here and start, like, it just starts to create itself, and that is beautiful. I love it. I am so... I hope it looks good when it dries, but I was gonna say I'm so, like, happy right now. I'm so impressed. I don't know if she's gonna like it, but I don't hate it yet, so trying to get some of this paint down here. Oh, how can I do this? I'm trying to pick up a little bit of paint and then use it right there. Oh, there we go. I got it. Okay. Actually, I need a little bit for right here too. I have no idea how my string pull's gonna go. So yeah, we'll see. Oh my gosh, I don't know how well y'all can see that on the camera, but I am loving that. Jeez. Wow. having a really hard time getting these edges though. Oh, there we go. I got a little bit there. Oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. So since I didn't actually like, well, I mean, I poured, I messed that part up. Is it still considered pour painting? I mean, I did pour the paint onto the canvas. Sorry, y'all, this is tedious. Thank you for anyone who's still here with me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Show some kindness today. Show some kindness today. Oh my gosh, I want to get this, like... Did y'all like that sound effect? I feel like I was like holding my breath all that time. Okay. I'm just gonna like show y'all real quick. I mean, that's not bad. The paint is very uneven, so I don't know how that's gonna dry. I mean, it does give it texture, so I don't know. But I don't want to mess with it too much more. I kind of want to take out this black over here. Okay, that worked. What does this side look like over here? I did not expect to love it, and I'm kind of loving it. I kind of don't know again about the texture, but actually that one that I did with the flowers, if y'all haven't seen that one, oh, I forgot to look at the name of it. It's the one that says Delicate Flowers. That was my first balloon try, or glove technique. And that one actually ended up with a lot of texture, and it actually looks really good. I thought it was going to be kind of like really ugly, but it actually looks really good. It's very different, not what I was expecting at all. Okay, I got a little bit of this paint off here. This part right here is kind of bugging me, but I feel like if I keep messing with it, there's just like gonna be nothing left. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to stop. Oh my gosh, y'all. I am okay with that. it never feels like it's done, but that it has like so much texture, I feel like, and like movement. Oh my gosh. Wow. The only thing is that I see a lot of bubbles in there. I don't know if this is gonna help. It usually doesn't, but I have to try anyway. Okay, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with that. And now to do the kitty cat, which I'm really nervous. So again, this was just a piece of paper that I taped on there to get my silhouette. And I see a little glob of paint down here that I am going to go this way. Okay, I think I'm gonna switch out my gloves. I start with white or black, white or black, white or black. I feel like that's way too thin. I thought I tested it before I started. Okay, let me just see. Tony's, I don't know. This may be too thin now. Did I just stick my thumb in it somewhere? Where did this paint come from? That's not what I wanted. Okay. So the string has too much movement. So I'm I'm gonna try it this way. So I'm just going to dip the string into the paint and try it this way. So like I said, I haven't seen anybody do like what I'm doing, but I have watched a few string pulls, so to get some ideas. I wanted more definition there, but I think I'm gonna have to take what I'm getting there. Okay, he's gonna be a smoky cat. I was trying to decide what colors to go with. I almost did like some orange as well, but I wasn't quite sure how it would look. Ooh, I stuck my finger in the purple. Okay. Just put some more white and black over here. I was trying to get everything ready for this, so it is like later than normal, and all of a sudden my stomach is like, you forgot to feed me. Hello. We're already at 30 minutes. If my video cuts off, I am so sorry. Like I said, I just do this for fun. I don't have fancy equipment. It's an old cell phone that I don't use anymore. That's what I'm recording on. But thank you guys so much for joining me and watching, and I hope I get a lot of comments on things I could have done better. I won't say wrong because I'm learning and it's a process, but maybe things I could have done better, things you liked, things you didn't like. Be kind as always. But I don't hate it, y'all. It actually looks like hair. I am like, I'm really happy. Actually, very happy right now. The only thing I would like is for the ears up there to have a little more definition. But I'm afraid that if I start messing with them, I'm going to be super upset that I messed with them. I don't remember if I said this earlier, so sorry y'all if I keep repeating myself, but I know I did say like I watched some string art, but if I can find the ones that I watched, I will link them because, you know, we get ideas from everywhere, but and there was a video that I watched that had this like dipping it in, because all the other ones they put the little dots on there, but that was not going to work for me because my paint is too thin, I think. So if I hadn't seen that little tip, I might have ended up in some tears of frustration. So, just saying, I love to learn and pick up tips and tricks, but as y'all know, if y'all do this, no painting comes out the same. It's so amazing. I love, 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 love this. Like if I were to try to recreate this exact painting, I absolutely could not do it. Now I do something similar, sure. But number one, because those paints that I used were leftover drippings from something else. So like I could never get those colors again. Like, nope.